These are Italian black winter truffles. The going rate is about $150 per ounce, and this right here is about 2 ounces. They grow underground by the base of hardwood trees, and only trained dogs or pigs can sniff them out. If you can get fresh truffles, that's the best bet, but using truffle butter and truffle oil are more economical and certainly acceptable substitutes for this recipe. I started off by lightly browning about a half tablespoon of butter to get some nutty flavor, and then added about 4 ounces of black truffle butter. Once the butter is melted, add about a tablespoon of flour and then let it cook a bit to get rid of the raw flour flavor. Once the flour is cooked and the butter starts to froth up, add in 1 pint of heavy cream and give it some whiskey business until it starts to thicken up a bit. Black truffles release most of their flavor and aroma when cooked, so if you have fresh truffle, here's when you could shave in about 1/4 to a half ounce. Give it a quick whisk and put the heat on low to let it thicken. Meanwhile, cook 1 pound of whatever pasta you want, but I'm using the classic fettuccine. Once the pasta is a little under al dente, melt 2 ounces of truffle butter in a pan and then add in your pasta and stir. Then add in your cream sauce and let the pasta finish cooking in it. If your sauce seems too thick, you could always thin it out with some pasta water. My family are definitely truffle addicts, so before serving, I'm shaving in some more black truffle. I made this as part of my family's Christmas dinner, so filming and serving was a bit chaotic. You can be as dainty as you want and make pasta nests, but I know people are hungry, so I just put the pasta in the bowl, grated on some pecorino cheese, and then finished it off with even more black truffle. If you were using black truffle oil, this is the part where you would drizzle on the finishing oil. Putting truffle oil in boiling cream or exposing it to really high heat will destroy the truffle flavor. Being as expensive as they are, using fresh black truffles can be a bit intimidating, but this is a simple recipe that you can't really mess up and you'll definitely impress your guests. Just make sure to taste the pasta for the right amount of salt right before serving and you'll be fine. That's all there really is. If you liked this video, consider subscribing.